Hey guys, I have another holiday look for you all, and this time I'm doing a cranberry shade and a lot of glitters onto the lids. And I'm pretty much excited to do this, and I hope you like this one. To make the shadow last until the party is over, we need to prime our eyes. I need to set the paint pot with a cream shadow so that it will make everything blend easier. I'll be applying first this light brown eyeshadow. This serves as a good transition to the rest of the eyeshadow that we will be applying later on. Now I will be taking this cranberry shade and working this onto the outer corner of my eye. And I'm trying to build this color until I'm satisfied with the intensity, and at the same time I'm shaping it the way that I wanted it to look. Now I'm going to deepen that outer corner using a much deeper shade, but still in the cranberry family. So I'll just use this shade here to blend the outer edges of the eyeshadow. So now I'm applying this beautiful shimmer white shadow onto the rest of my lids, and I wet my brush to apply this one so that it will give me that very intensified look, and then blending the two together using that champagne colored shadow and deepening again that outer edge with the same color that we used earlier. So now I'm just blending and deepening again the crease area so that it will look seamless and beautiful. And now it's time to line our eyes. I'm doing a wing eyeliner again. It's my favorite, you guys. And also please don't forget to tightline your upper waterline to make everything look even more seamless, and apply a coat of your favorite mascara, of course, and then curl those lashes. I'm already done with my foundation, so now I'm just applying some concealer onto the under eye to hide those darkness as well as brighten those area. So yeah, right now I'm setting my face with my favorite powder from Nichido, and as well as grooming the brows. I have a full video on how I groom and fill in my brows, guys, so will have the link on the description box for you to check it out. So I'm just contouring my nose, and of course don't forget to give back shape to your face, since we will be taking a lot of pictures during our party so that we look so defined and chiseled. Make sure to apply some blushes too so that we will look more glowing and healthy. And this is my favorite part, you guys, highlighting, because it makes us more glowy looking and healthy looking. So now I'm just finishing the eyes by applying that same shadow that we use on our lids, and I'm making it a little dramatic by applying it a little lower and defining the lash line using the darker cranberry shadow. So now I just wanted to highlight my inner corners using this beautiful glittery eyeliner from Etude House, and lining my lips as well. I am so excited to use this liquid lipstick, you guys. Oh my gosh, and it smells so freaking good. Can you see how pretty this is? Oh my gosh, and it's very affordable. I will have a review on this one, so better check it out, you guys. So I guess that's it for this look, you guys, and I do hope that you like this, because I really do like it. I think it looks so pretty for your Christmas party, upcoming Christmas parties, or any parties that you will go. Yeah, it looks so sparkly, and yeah, it's really perfect. Every time I think of Christmas, I always wanted something cranberry-ish and something sparkly on my eyes. It's always the first thing that comes out of my mind. So that's why I decided to create this look for today. I really like the inner corners here because it's so sparkly, and I also did a little dramatic onto the lower lash line. I don't usually do that, but since it's Christmas, why not? So yeah, I really love this look. If I only have a Christmas party to go to, I would definitely wear this one. But since I don't have any, and you could wear this one yourself, I am pretty much sure that it is very easy to follow, and also the shades that I'm using is very easy to find. If you don't have that particular palette that I have, you could easily find some dupe colors on the lids as well as on the lips, because I have pretty much used very neutral common shades, you know, sparkly here and there. So yeah, it's very easy, and I hope that you will try this look on your upcoming Christmas party. And if you did, please don't forget to tag me, oh my gosh guys, in all my social media accounts, wherever you want, Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, even here on Facebook. Just tag me. I just wanted to see your own versions of this look that I created. Oh my gosh, I'm getting so excited. But yeah, I really do hope that you enjoyed this video as much as I did, and always remember that makeup is not a mask worn to hide oneself, but rather it makes you a better you. So I hope to see you in my next video guys, and I love you always. Peace.